Okay, yeah.
Tilt it up.
Is in the centre?
Yeah, that's sound.
Just need bags here, yeah?
I am for the time being, lad. Then I'll come back and get it. Fucking hell, it's quite big, you know. I'm gonna get me bag, I think. I don't want to leave it there. What sort of fucking people could follow us in? Is that recording? Yeah, mine.
Yeah, mine.
Yeah, yours is as well, lad. Mad this. It's quite big, isn't it?
I took my lens cover off as well. So
Have you?
it's just gonna fog up. I can't find it.
There's quite a few little entrances, isn't there? Fuck me, lad, it's massive. I want to find... There's supposed to be artwork down here, isn't there?
Fucking maze.
Yeah, honestly, it is. Like, yeah, at least there's like arrows and shit about. There's loads of little entrances and exits and shit. Turn right and fuck.
Where's the graffiti on the walls? You know?
Yeah, that's what I want to find, lads. Here it is, here. That's quite sick, that, isn't it? To get some pictures of that before we go. Fucking hell, lad, boss. Wow, lads, it just keeps going. Lad, it just keeps fucking going. It's massive. It's a bit fucking...
This is fucking crazy.
Oh, that's flooded, that bit there.
Thank God for all the bags. Fucking hell.
Ah, no, I didn't realise it was this big.
So, are we up to this now? In the building?
Honestly, I've no idea.
Yeah.
What's this fucking tripwire here? Fucking touch that. Lads, it's fucking massive, you know. I think we're gonna get lost in here.
Should have put me inside fucking start.
Fuck, well, no signal down here, is there?
You don't even know if it's any like gas or fucking...
Ah, it's not it's not deep enough, is it? We're only just below the surface, really, aren't we? I think that's the surface there. That tin is. There's all signs though, isn't there? So we should be alright. I just can't believe how big it is, like. Bogs there, look. Oh my god, we finally reached the end of it. I might get my camera out and take some pictures.
Yeah, go on.
I'll turn your torch off a sec. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Lad.
It's the flashing on the lights.
That's scary, that, isn't it?
Yeah. What the fucking wall? The condensation. Whoa. Was that you?
Yeah. I think I can be arsed with a fucking tripod. I'm just gonna handheld it. What if I just knocked that? I knocked it. Yours has fell down, you know. Fucking got to this camera shite, aren't we?
It's because it's not tight enough. Ah, shit.
It's only just fell down though.
This is what I'm gonna put it.
It's fucking dark in here. Get me settings. So, auto. Shut AirPod, try to go working here.
Yeah, I was just double checking. No, well, even when there's no signal, well,
That's crazy, that. High ISO for the win.
it's like the fucking catacombs in Paris, like that's like...
Mad, innit, how big it is? Like, it is fucking proper massive.
Scary though, if not, things go along under there, but you know.
Shit. Not the greatest pictures in the world. What's the room? I know, it's weird that.
What a chip mark.
We need to try and go back to where we found that fucking...
Yeah.
I think it was the other way, wasn't it? That's flooded down that way.
You can go up there though.
I know, imagine.
That was on there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't be arsed with work tomorrow. I think it was down here, wasn't it? Turn right and duck.
But there was people that got in, you know, I was saying the other day, we got onto the site for us.
Did they?
Yeah. And the security came.
Yeah, I can imagine this to be 24-hour security, like. It was here, wasn't it? Why is there footprints on the fucking walls? What the fuck?
So you're getting fucking done, mate.
Fucking orgy or something down here? That's weird that there's footprints on the walls though, isn't it? I like the ceiling in here.
I've got 40 minutes left, so I might just record that thing on the wall and then save some summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That must have floated a bit. I'm the opposite, lad. I've got fucking plenty of storage, but I've only got the one batch here, haven't I? Do you reckon there's people that come in here on their own?
Yeah.
Fucking mad bastards.
I think more and more people are doing it next door on the road. It just depends on the location, I guess.
Yeah.
Because I won't be doing Fiddler's Ferry on my own, fuck that.
Fucking no one's doing Fiddler's Ferry anyway.
Oh, this is fucking mad bastard. Levi probably.
Yeah, Levi probably would, lad, and then like, say, complain about why he's gone to fucking prison. I know there was an injunction, lad, but I didn't mean it. My dad's all fucking love all this graffiti down here. Can how the Jordans are that realistic? My fucking camera thought it was a face.
My battery's getting worse on my phone, you know.
Same, lad.
Yeah, it's 17 Pro Max in September, hopefully.
Same. quite sick, this place, like.
Yeah.
The graffiti makes it, doesn't it? It'd just be like a dingy old thing. Oh, there's more down here, lad. More pictures and shit. Wow. Pretty fucking cool. Looks like Michael Jackson, that one.
Probably is. Been down here.
Hello. That's why there was handprints on the fucking walls. Oh, it just takes us back to exactly where we were.
Imagine if it's just only smoke, these are on
Fucking hell. I'm surprised there's not more graffiti and shit down here, you know? Like, there's a bit, but there's not much, and there's not much shit, is there? I like the sign, the way it's signposted. Saying exit this way, turn back. Now there's a bit more graffiti here, isn't there? Got this section to do now. Yeah, it's like people don't go any further than this, do they? Look at that fucking Peppa Pig thing, that's fucking terrifying, that. Oh, I don't think there's any arrows this way. Or is there? Yeah, there is.
Well, we know where Peppa Pig is, don't we? So
What?
Peppa Pig's down there, so we know.
Yeah, we know
Get
that.
lost and that's fine. Fucking hell. Sludge.
I'll just get a picture of all them. It's weird how there's no smell down here.
Fucking hell, earthquake.
I know, it's weird the way the ground's rose, isn't it? The way the ground's rose here. That's a picture there. Oh my god, it's weird.
Jesus Christ. Oh.
The way that it's all fucking cracking and shit.
hell is going on?
I'm gonna have to use some denoise on these pictures.
I have to use fucking AI
Topaz bloody...
to change the floor.
Wow, this is crazy, this, isn't it?
Yeah, let me get it.
Fucking that's not very tall. Right, is there arrows? Yeah, there is, so we're all good.
Jesus Christ. Oh god. This is exploring for you. I was not expecting this. Fucking hell. Oh, we should have started with this way.
Odd, innit? This bit's weird. The way that the floor, man, is just so strange.
Yeah. Just movements.
But it's weird the way that it's not like this on the other sides at all, is it?
Yeah.
It just keeps fucking going as well.
I feel like it's gonna snap the floor.
It's odd, innit? It smells a bit here as well. Turn right and duck. Yeah, the air quality's getting a bit worse here, isn't it?
That's what I'm saying. Before you get fucking...
I can feel me breathing getting heavy. This must lead a bit underground then, mustn't it? A bit further down.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking hell, I'm struggling to breathe. It stinks. Spider web. Oh, fucking pongs, doesn't it? It smells like sulphur.
You should use your vape. Get a good snap.
Use it as an inhaler.
Ah, that's way better, mate.
Oh shit, keep fucking swatting the camera on this one.
Was this on the video?
I don't remember, you know.
You know, they should have told us. This floor is like... Oh my god.
Oh my god, lad, come and look at this.
It's getting worse.
Lad, look at this on my camera here. Doesn't that look like a face?
Yeah.
Like, my camera thinks it's a face, you know. It was before it was thinking that bucket was a face, lad.
Bang on the eye. What is it? Rather than me.
Cool though.
See, that's actually looks like it's... Yeah.
They will have been all fucking cemented over the top probably.
Got a cover to that.
Yeah. Even if you got that down, you'd probably fucking find it'd just be mud.
Yeah.
So dig your way out. Right, is there fucking... Yeah, there's still arrows, isn't there? Just don't want to get lost. It's so fucking big. Fucking went on my ass then.
This is definitely large on the side. Fucking hell.
Massive, innit?
I wonder why they didn't seal this then.
What, did the exit weave came in?
Well, just because there's a footman in the fence and no one's done anything about it.
It's weird, innit? You think especially because it's on like, it's next to Littlewoods, isn't it? Which is like a live building site at the minute. We're at the end. Ooh. drains there, look.
I'd fuck for that.
That's cool though.
You'd go crazy down here, because it keeps going left, right, left, right.
Mate, if there wasn't them arrows, we'd be fucked, you know.
And the bigger pen next time.
Live down here. I feel like we've gone a bit more above ground now.
Yeah.
Because I can breathe a bit more now.
Fucking hell, I thought it was a shadow, I thought the floor was actually moving. Oh. This is crazy. Literally an earthquake.
It's weird, isn't it? I wonder if we are actually under the Littlewoods building.
We've got to be.
Because it goes it goes back, doesn't it, when you come down the entrance?
Yeah.
It goes back.
Yeah, I'll find out if these cracks have always been here like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Need to find the
They've probably been here for a good while, like.
arrow, yes. Ow, that fucking hell.
Did you hit your head?
No, there's a fucking like a nail on the wall or something.
Oh, fucking hell.
Into the elbow.
There's loads of glow sticks, isn't there, about? Look how pissed that wall is, lad.
Yeah.
It's like slanted down to the left, isn't it? Ah, electrical box there. Junction box. No, I didn't think they would have had power down here, though. Do you know what? It's a cool place, that. I like it. Oh, fucking notifications coming through now.